Start by snapping a chalk line where the walls will be. Check the chalk line for square by using the 6, 8, 10 method. The diagonal measurements needs to equal 10 foot. Stack the wall studs directly over the floor joist. Do this by measuring from the same direction as the floor joist layout. Wall studs are normally placed 16 inches on center. Use a square to transfer the markings to both plates. Finish the layout by marking any door openings in the wall. Include any markings for jack and king studs. Measure and cut the jack studs for the door at 81 inches. This is for a 6'8" tall door. In a non-bearing wall, a load-bearing header is not needed, so you can cut your cripple studs from the same 2x4. Lay the top and bottom plates with the wall studs on the floor. Place any crown in the wall stud up when building a wall. Build corner blocks by placing two studs together and nailing to make an L-shaped piece. Once you have everything in place, it's time to start nailing. Use 2 nails through the plate and into the wall stud. This is how a typical non-load-bearing door opening should look. Use 2 full-length studs next to an intersecting wall to allow room for trim. If the studs are not even with each other, just toenail the high stud to the low stud. Notice the jack studs fit under the header. When possible, nail through the king stud into the header. Mark the layout on the header for the cripple studs. Measure from one of the wall studs that are 16 inches on center. Lift the wall into place. You may want help with this step. Walls can be heavy. Line it up with the chalk line on the floor. Nail it to the floor into the floor joist below. Finish by plumbing the wall with a level and nailing it to the intersecting walls.